Hi, my name is Danny Holøs. I'm the CEO of MakeKit and a co-founder. So, today I will show you how to build the shitty bit or bot bit using the wooden frame. Now, this project here is great if you have the WonderKit system, and this is the part 2 of the video where I'm talking about the wooden frame. Now, you can check out the part 1 video if you haven't already. This is where I go through the code and also how to build it using some kind of cardboard. You can use like a milk carton. It's a great project and you can be really creative. But now I will show you how to use this one. Now you see the letters on one of the sides, and this is the side we want to have to the ground. The reason is that on the top I put the microbit. So here I put the microbit. I've cheated a little bit because the microbit and the multibit card are assembled, or the WonderBit card. Then I use these screws and just the nuts to hold it together here. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to tighten these together really hard, and then just need to stick together. The second one. And then I have a rubber band where I'm going to apply the battery later on. And now I take the battery on the bottom side here, place that in there. Now I can actually plug it in if I want to, but I'm going to wait with that until I have the servos attached. So now I can attach the servos. Then again I use a rubber band. Around one side and to the other. Let's see if I can. There we go. And then the second one. There we go. Now we're almost done actually. Now I just turn the wires around here so I don't have too much loose wires, and I make sure that yellow is on the top and brown is on the bottom. And then plug it in. You can view the microbit as a face, and then you see the ground back down here, and then top you have the yellow one. It can be the sun. And then same thing on the other side. Then plug in the wires. There we go. Now you can actually use a pen like this, attach it here, and I will show you how you can do this. So you use a rubber band around the back side here. I'll take the pen inside the rubber band and then down in the hole. Now I have a pen holder here. Now you can make artwork out of this one. But that is for a later project. So now I can try to turn it on and see if it works with the code. Turning the card on. Yes. Now we can try it. Oh. Oh, this is driving all over the place. So it works. Great project that you can do really easy. And you can do a lot of fun with the code, making it quite autonomous. This here is a super fun project that you can do with your students, where they can learn about working together in a project, solving problems, designing their own craft using 3D printer, laser cutters, or other tools for cutting, drill, saw. Then you have the craftsmanships, nuts and bolt, connecting electronics, and of course applying physics and math. That goes especially into the code and how you want this to drive. And of course, if you have another microbit, you can turn this into a remote controlled car. So good luck and have lots of fun with this and many of the other projects that you find in the WonderKit system. Thank you so much for watching.